Welcome back, everybody, to part 2 of our adventure, stuck in our kayaks in a storm in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Let's see if we make this thing. Let's go.
Almost there. I'm gonna push you some. Chris, you can't make this stuff up.
We finally see some daylight coming. We're almost out of this thing. Wow, was that a wild ride or what? You never know what's gonna happen here at the Howard's Adventures. So hang out, see what we have coming up next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.
Thank you.